bringing it,
Hello everyone, hello. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and I am here to define you that how you can make a neon text glow effect in Photoshop in just 3 to 4 simple steps. So let's take a new document of any size, select the background color by pressing Alt plus backspace. Now take your type tool and click anywhere on the screen and just add some text. I am writing neon. Go to the character panel and select the color what you want. Now simply double click on the text layer panel, select the outer glow and adjust some settings like opacity 100% and spread 9% and size 6%. You can also change the color from here. I am taking some magenta and hit OK. Now duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J or Command plus J for Mac. Get back to the previous layer, double click on the layer, go to the outer glow section and change the settings as opacity 85%, spread 9% and size 27% and hit OK. Now again take a duplicate layer of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Get back to the previous layer and double click on the layer, go to the outer glow section and change the settings as opacity 65%, spread 9 and size 95% and hit OK. Now again take a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Get back to the previous layer, double click on the layer. On the outer glow section, select the opacity to something around 30% and size to 125% and hit OK. Now select all these text layers by holding shift and to make a group simply press Ctrl plus G or Command plus G for Mac users. Name this group as texts. Create a blank layer by pressing this plus icon. Take your brush tool and firstly select the color. This is our color of the text, so I'm taking this. Set the opacity to around 35%. Make it a bit large and make sure the hardness is 0 and simply click on the center of the text. Just change the blending mode to screen. You can also set opacity to something less. Yeah, it's good. So our text is ready. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. You can also play some settings to make like this. It's pretty cool.